Hi friends. It all began here 1 year ago when I walked to the mailbox to get my first mystery bag from Aberdeen's Wool. So I thought it would be fitting to take you along today for my last yarn purchase for 2024, which just happens to be a mystery bag from Aberdeen's Wool Company. Let's see if it's changed over the course of this year, what we get in the bag. Come along. It's very fall-y-like already over here. I don't know what's going to motivate me to go for walks now if there's no yarn in the mailbox. I think I just have to make it a habit whether there's mail or not. It's a good brisk walk. It probably takes 20 minutes round trip if I walk quickly. Get the heart rate up. Not that yarn doesn't get the heart rate up. So let's see what we get today. It is September the 9th at noon and it's 27 degrees out. It's a hot one. Hi everyone, it is a cooker out here today in Manitoba, the center of Canada. It is early September. I'll be probably dropping this later in the month, but I thought I would buy 2 more Aberdeen's Wool mystery bags, the exact same amount that I bought 1 year ago, and I want to see how different they are from a year ago. Now, Aberdeen's Wool is an Ontario-based company. They are a small business. They have hand-dyed yarn under the name of Tangled Poets, and on their website, they offer mystery bags. I'm sure this is not the first time you've heard of them. I've opened them quite a bit throughout my channel's life. But the last time I bought any was early March, so we are pretty much 6 months from having a mystery bag. Now, they have had some trials this year. Heather, the owner of the company and the main dyer of the Tangled Poets, did fall ill. She is slowly recovering from what I can understand. I mean, I haven't talked to her. And they were quite backed up with their purchases for quite a while, and my understanding is they caught up. I ordered 2 bags the last time. They were $25 each. I ordered these 2 bags, which, smaller bag, good things come in small packages. They as well were $25 each, but I used my tangles, which are points that you can accumulate when you purchase from this company. Once you get 1,500 tangles, you can redeem it for $15 off your purchase. So that is what I did. I ordered 1 mystery bag and I took the $15 off. So it was a $10 bag. Then I paid for shipping, and shipping was only $10. So I paid $21 for the bag. And I think a week or so had gone by and I decided I'm going to use up the rest of my points. And I did so. And so I've gotten 2 bags shipped and taxed for $42 using my Tangles points. If you don't know where your Tangled points are, when you log into your account, on the bottom left side, there is a little, looks like a purse. click on that and open it once you're logged in under your profile, and it will show you how many points you have. I didn't realize that there was points at all at first when I started doing this, and now I try to use up my points when I can. So this is the last purchase for me for 2024. I have purchased a lot of yarn this year, and I still have Advents coming, including their Advent holiday box, which Hubs had purchased for me. So there's going to be more yarn. Don't fret. And in fact, there's a little bit of yarn that I have not yet showed on my channel that I've already received. But this order is the last order that I have paid for 2024. And then we're taking a break. So a lot of the yarn that I originally received in my first mystery bag has either been gifted, some of it has been used. So I'm going to do some screenshots, and I'm going to just refresh your memory of what I got the very first time I got a mystery bag, which would have been in August of 2023. So in my first bag, I received 1 ball of Barocco Sesame yarn, 2 balls of Premier Muir Woods yarn, which is an acrylic yarn and it's now discontinued. And then I received a 3-pack of Premier yarn. It's another acrylic yarn from Sweet Rolls Sprinkles. That was my first bag, and I thought it was pretty good. But then I opened the second bag and it was even better. 3 balls of Juniper Moon Farms Beatrix yarn. Wow. I still have this yarn. I don't know what I'm going to make with it yet. Then I received 1 hank of Barocco Pixel yarn. That is a discontinued yarn. Then I received 1 hank of their Juniper Moon Farms Santa Cruz yarn, and that was gifted to a friend. Whew. I've been watching some of the Aberdeen's wool yarn hauls. The recent ones, the ones that they did for catching up, has a lot of cotton in it, and I'm not opposed to that. I don't personally use cotton, but I have a friend who does, so I'm kind of hoping that I get some. And you know what, friends? Let's open this puppy up. One, 2. Oh, new cards. This is Allie Packed This. Your support makes dreams come true and a small business to thrive. I'm wondering if Allie is Heather's daughter. And there's my order. Okay, I'm just going to feel them to kind of get a vibe. I'm all about getting the vibes. If you have never purchased from them before, you will get either a knit bag or a crochet bag, and you get 3 patterns in here as well, printed patterns, and they are suggestions for what you can use for this yarn. So it's kind of like getting mini kits. If you don't know what to do with the yarn, you always have a pattern to fall back on, and quite often the yardage they give is much more generous than what the pattern calls for, in my opinion. So let's open up the first one and see what we got. Ooh, here's a Madeline Tosh cowl. I doubt there's Madeline Tosh in here, but it's definitely something on my wish list. That's beautiful. A honey cowl. We've got a hat, a free breakfast hat. These are all very nice patterns. And a simple shawl. Oh, we got quite a bit of that. All right, I have 4 balls. Ooh, this is nice. Pima Soft Cotton from Barocco. I already know who this is going to. Sorry if you see this. You know who you are. Okay, I don't, this is actually very nice. In fact, I mean, this is a wearable cotton, obviously. Let's see the specs on this. And if I find the amount of what it costs, I will put it up on the screen as well. So they carry a lot of Barocco in their store. Barocco Prima Soft, 100% Pima cotton. It is a 3-weight light gauge of a yarn. It is 124 yards, 113 meters. The color is 4653, 3.75 to 4 millimeter knitting needles, or 3.75 crochet hook. This is lovely. It feels quite nice. That's number 1. Ooh, I will definitely use this. Oh, yeah. Barocco Ultra DK. Pure white, which is good for me. 100% superwash wool. 100 grams. 3.5 ounces. 292 yards. 267 meters. It is a 3-weight yarn, 4.5 crochet hook, or 4 millimeter knitting needle. So that is great too. And we'll put the price up here. The last one is just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And I'm going to keep this for me. I got 2 of these. Millefiori Light. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Look at that. That would make a gorgeous shawl. My goodness, it's quite fine. It is a 2-weight yarn. 50% wool, 50% acrylic. Barocco. Color number 6831. 350 yards. 320 meters. So let's see what this one costs. That's lovely. Wow, I am embracing color, my friends. I really, really am. I think this is just as good, if not better. The brands are all Barocco, which I personally love. The thing is that I really enjoy about these mystery bags is you never seem to get the same one twice. There is always options for patterns for what you should make if you're uncertain. And like if you buy 2 bags, you're not going to get the same things. And let's prove that fact right now by opening up this second one. Kind of told myself I wasn't going to do mystery bags again. Oh, 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 oh. Gifty Slouchy Beanie Hat. Be Simple Variations Shawl. What is this? I can't say that. This thing. This is a shawl. Yeah, it looks like a shawl. Okay, right away I saw something and I was like, ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, right on. That is a beautiful color. And again, it's Barocco. This is 100% Peruvian wool. It is just as soft as the way I am squishing it. 3.5 ounces, 164 yards, 5 bulky weight. It's a 5.5 to 6 millimeter knitting needle or a 6 millimeter crochet hook. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Price. The KFI Collection sock yarn. I don't think they have this on their website. This has kind of been a staple in a lot of the mystery bags. for several months, and I'm okay with this. I do have one or two of these colors. I really love the brown and the gray combo with the beige. It is quite lovely. I'm going to try and knit a pair of socks with this, but I am also going to use this when I'm knitting my little animals this winter with fingering weight yarn. I know, it's very small. This color is called Rocky Mountains, and it is obviously a 1 fingering weight. It is 75% organic wool, 25% polyamide, 3.5 ounce, 100 grams, 459 yards, and 420 meters. I like that. And my last two, and I think I have some of this in a gray. Don't know, I think I have one of these in a gray, which would be good to pair with it. The Barocco Remix Light, and I got 2 of them. And if it is with a gray, I think that's going to be great to have all 3 of them together. This color number is 6984. It is a 3-weight yarn made in France, 100 grams, 432 yards, 400 meters. That's a beautiful color. 30% nylon, 27% cotton, 24% acrylic, 10% silk, and 9% linen. It's a mixed bag in this remix yarn for sure. That's nice. I have some of the chunkier stuff that I have a top in mind to make. And yeah, 432 yards. It looks really thin for a light 3, but I'm learning I have to start swatching things a lot more. In the first bag, we got this. And in the second bag, we got this. So what do you think? Do you think it's still good quality and value for your dollar? $25. You know, yarn has just increased. I want to say some of the acrylic yarn that I've used for markets and whatnot have increased almost double since I started knitting. The prices just seem to be going up and up. In fact, I'm quite surprised how much the commercial grade acrylic yarn is now to buy. I think this is a great value. I think if you are willing to take a chance and take a risk, and if you're never sure of what to do, you always have patterns to give you a bit of a boost. Thank you so much for watching today. I really enjoy these bags. I already see some fun projects that I can do with them. And until next time, take care and be well. Bye for now.